Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The two-sum problem is one of the most popular coding challenges, often found on platforms like LeetCode. The task is to find two numbers in a list that add up to a specific target value. Let's walk through the problem step by step, including an explanation of the algorithm, and then I'll provide a code example. Problem statement. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, you need to find two numbers such that they add up to the target. Return the indices of the two numbers in the form of a list. Example. Input asterisk. Output asterisk. Explanation asterisk. The numbers at indices 0 and 1 are 2 and 7, which add up to 9. Approach. 1. Brute force approach. This involves using two nested loops to check every possible pair of numbers. This method has a time complexity of \o and ℏ2. To optimized approach, we can use a hash map dictionary in Python to store the numbers we have seen so far and their corresponding indices. This allows us to reduce the time complexity to \o n. Steps for the optimized approach. 1. Initialize an empty dictionary to map each number to its index. 2. Iterate through the list of numbers. 3. For each number, calculate the complement, i.e., target, number. 4. Check if the complement exists in the dictionary. If it does, return the indices of the current number and the complement. If it doesn't, add the current number and its index to the dictionary. Python code example. Here's how you can implement the optimized approach in Python. Explanation of the code. 1. Initialization. We create a dictionary called number_to_index to keep track of the indices of the numbers we encounter. 2. Iteration. We loop through each element in the nums array using enumerate to get both the index and the number. 3. Complement calculation. For each number, we compute its complement with respect to the target. 4. Check for complement. We check if the complement is already in our dictionary. If it is, we return the indices of the complement and the current number. If not, we add the current number and its index to our dictionary. 5. Return result. If we find a valid pair, we return their indices. If no such pair exists, we return an empty list. Complexity analysis. Time complexity, \o n. We pass through the list once. Space complexity, \o n. In the worst case, we store all elements in the dictionary. Conclusion. The two-sum problem is a great exercise for understanding hash maps and their utility in solving problems efficiently. The optimized solution significantly reduces the time complexity compared to the brute force method, making it a preferred approach in interviews and competitive programming.